Hello everyone, I'm Sherry and you're watching Lessons Learned. So this layer cake is by Riley Blake and it's called Melody Lane, and there's 42 different prints in here. No, there's 42 different blocks and there's some repeats on the prints. Lots of pinks and grays, some light ones and some lighter pinks and peach. I'm going to open it up here and show you some individual shots of the blocks. These are 10-inch blocks of fabric. You can see there's a few that are repeats, but they all coordinate together. Same line, same artist that designed them. I think I got this from Jordan Fabrics on major sale a few months ago for, I believe it was $29.98 or something like that, which layer cakes are typically $40-something, $42, $45 or more in some cases. So to explain what a stack and whack method of quilting is you're basically taking several layers of fabric that are the same size and you're making one cut through the entire stack. Now you couldn't run your cutter all the way through 42 pieces, so I think I stacked up 4 pieces at a time, and I just randomly decided to cut a 3-inch strip off of the right hand side. So here I am at the machine. I'm getting ready to sew my pieces together, but first I have to take one piece from one stack and put it on the bottom, and that way I don't have 2 pieces of the same print going together. So now I've got my right sides together and I'm making my first seam. Excuse the audio, the video, the sun was shining in and it made it blurry. So now you can see my first new block with my 2 different sizes together to make it the complete 10-inch block. And then from there on out, they'll all be random. There won't be any repeats where you would have 2 colors being sewn together. Just by putting that first one on the bottom, it'll make all the rest of them different and unique from each other. So I'm going to continue sewing all of these blocks. So now I'm going to press my new blocks. I'm setting the seam first and then pressing towards the larger portion of the block. So here are my finished blocks up on the design wall. And you can see how all the colors coordinate, but they're not next to each other. So that method of putting one piece under a stack and then starting to sew works out okay. So the next question is will I stack and whack again? You'll have to stay tuned to part 2 to find out.